Hello friends, I am Dilipya of 9th class studying in Biram Hizreddy International School, and today my topic is to explain the importance of meristematic tissue in plant and how it helps in the growth of plant. Let's see by a small experiment and understand what is the importance of meristematic tissue. The plant has two types of tissues. Do you know what are they? Yes, dividing tissues and non-dividing tissues. Let us understand what is behind these tissues. Now we are going to discuss about dividing tissues. These are also called as meristematic tissues. The, the dividing tissues are also called as meristematic tissues, and the word meristematic had derived from Greek meristos, that means dividing. The function of this meristematic tissue is to divide and help the plant to grow. Do you know where these tissues are present exactly? These meristematic tissues are present where plants show growth. As we all know that the parts of plants do not show growth, growth is related to only some parts of plants, and this meristematic tissue has divided based on the location it is present. Do you know how many parts of meristematic tissues are there? Yes, three types of meristematic tissues are there in plant. First one is apical meristem, and the second one is lateral meristem, and third one is intercalary meristem. Now we are going to discuss about apical meristem. Materials required for this project experiment are two bottles and two onions and a scissor. Now let us cut the root tip of this onion, and let leave this like this only. Now I'm just cutting the root tips of these onions. I have left only some parts of this onion, and I have placed this like this. Leave this in water for 2 to 3 days in a sunny place and observe what happens. Let label this bottle as A and let label this bottle as B, and observe the observation what happens after 2 to 3 days. After 2 to 3 days, the length of this onion which is present in B tumbler has grown from 1.1 centimeter to 2.5 centimeter, and I am again placing it in this B tumbler. Now I am measuring the length of the roots of A tumbler onion. The length has grown from 1.5 centimeter to approximately 4 centimeters. Um, the observation what you have observed is the length of these A tumbler roots has grown more than the length of the B tumbler roots. Let's discuss what's the reason behind this. So friends, here we are seeing a project prepared by the shown materials. In container A, the roots has grown from 1 to 1.5 centimeter to 4 to 5 centimeters, in which I have not cut the roots. And in container B, the roots have not grown even 1 centimeter. Before, when I have measured the length of these roots of container B, the length is of 0.5 to 1 centimeter, and now it is just 1.5 centimeter. So now can you guess why this happens? The reason behind this is apical meristem. This apical meristem present in the root and shoot tips of a plant helps the plant roots to grow in length. This apical meristem is the growth region in the plants found within the root tips and the tips of new shoot and leaves. Apical meristem is one of the types of meristematic tissue.